Greetings! In this video we will learn to resize the dimensions of a GIF image using GIMP. This is the GIF image with dimensions of 1080 pixels. Go to the File menu and click Open. Browse your GIF image. Click Open. Go to the Image menu and select Scale Image. Under Image Size, set the width and height. Click Scale. Confirm scaling. The image will be resized shortly. Now go to the File menu. Click Export As. Set the file name and type. Click Export. Ensure As Animation is checked in the Export settings. Click Export. The GIF image has been resized to 210 pixels.